Hey everyone, this is Ruben from Tech Insider India, and today I'm unboxing the Redmi Note 11T 5G. Now the smartphone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G processor, which is great for high performance, and it is a 6nm processor. Most importantly, you have to consider the term 5G here. Then you get 8GB RAM on this unit, which also provides an extension, which is virtual extension of 3GB. The smartphone is also big on camera since it comes with a 50 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. It also has 16 megapixel AI selfie camera as well. This is a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus adaptive sync dot display, which is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. Now this is Corning Gorilla Glass 3, so just an FYI for all of our viewers. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery. It comes with an IP53 rating, which makes it splash proof. And finally, it has dual 5G SIM support. It's time we unbox it. Opening up the box, we get some paper packaging, and here's a SIM card ejector tool that you get on top, a silicone case. Let me quickly put it aside. Now here is the Redmi Note 11T 5G. Let me quickly put it aside and we will further dig inside the box. Underneath all the packaging, we get to see the charger. This is a 33-watt brick which will provide fast charging for the smartphone. And finally, a USB Type-C cable. Let me quickly put all this away and boot up the device for the first time. Now here is the Redmi Note 11T 5G in front of us. The smartphone has got certain weight to it. The color is aquamarine blue and it looks very nice. The back is plastic, but it will not get fingerprints thanks to the texture on the unit. It reads Redmi 5G on back. Here is the camera setup. The primary sensor is 50 megapixel. Then there is an 8 megapixel wide angle sensor. There is a flash as well. And then finally it reads AI. So Redmi has been promoting it big when it comes to AI capabilities of the camera. Turning the phone around. Now the smartphone comes with Android 11 out of the box and runs on MIUI 12.5. Underneath it, you get a good old 3.5mm headphone jack on the smartphone, so that's a good news if you are someone who likes to wire it up and listen to your music with your earphones. Then there is a speaker unit and a USB Type-C charging port. The build quality of the smartphone is quite robust, and with an IP53 splash-proof rating, you can carry it around anywhere you want. Of course, it is a dual SIM smartphone, so here is the SIM card tray. Let's pop it out and see what's the situation like there underneath. Okay, so this is a hybrid SIM card slot. You can put in a micro SD card along with a micro SIM card, or you can put in 2 SIM cards. So guys, that was a quick unboxing for the Redmi Note 11T 5G, and I hope you found this video helpful.